guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm vlogging on my phone today. I hope the quality is all right. Today is another day in the life. I'm gonna go get my hair trimmed. I feel like the ends have been really fuzzy and dry lately, so I think it's time for a trim. I might get my layers cut a bit short, but I know a lot of you still think I should grow my hair out, so that's what I'm doing, but I just want to keep it healthy. So I'm starting the vlog with a little haul from Mum Silk. They're actually sponsoring today's video. So all these pieces are made from silk. They are such nice quality. So this is the first piece that they sent me. It's this sleeping cap. I slept with it last night. These curls are actually day 2 curls, and I woke up and my hair and curls were still intact even though it's been raining, even though I move a lot in my sleep. I've had satin caps and pillowcases in the past, but they do not compare to the quality and the softness of actual silk from Mum Silk. I'll show you what the cap looks like on. So I just sleep in it like this. And what I love about this one, which is different to the ones I've tried in the past, is that it has an adjustable clasp, so you can make it tighter, looser, because I found in the past that my ones always just slipped off because they were kind of just a one size fits all. But this one's got that adjustable element, which is really, really handy. So Mum Silk also have pillowcases, sleepwear, comforters, and other accessories. The next thing they sent me is this beautiful black silk pillowcase. It is so silky soft. It is so smooth. It feels so luxurious. And they also sent me a white version. I think it's really important to change your pillowcases very often and keep them clean, because you don't want to be sleeping and putting your face and hair on a dirty surface. So I'm glad that they sent me 2 so I can swap these over regularly. One of the first things I learned when I went curly was to sleep on a silk pillowcase. So I finally got my hands on an actual one made out of actual silk, and they're also very sensitive skin friendly. So if you're finding that you're getting acne or you have sensitive skin, I definitely recommend trying out Mum Silk products. The smoothness is also known to help reduce anti-aging. It helps to keep your curls intact and also reduce hair breakage, because if you sleep on a cotton or a thicker material pillow and you're moving around, your hair will break off easily, whereas on this soft pillowcase, your hair will glide around and will reduce breakage. Also, I'm not in my new house right now. I'm kind of sleeping in between while we do renovations, so hence why we're here. But I always bring my Mum Silk pillowcase wherever I'm sleeping because it makes such a big difference on my curls. So we've got the black sleeping cap, white pillowcase, and black pillowcase. We've also got the matching black sleeping mask. Again, silk has many benefits for your skin, and sleeping with this will definitely keep your skin nice and healthy and soft. So I get a lot of questions about how I tie up my hair, what I use to tie up the curls, and all I use is black scrunchies. So I'm excited that they sent me these black silk scrunchies. They're such great quality. They're nice and tight. They're gonna hold up my big, thick, frizzy hair. Even switching from normal elastics to silk accessories like this will help with hair breakage. It's smoother on the hair. You know, I'm very rough with my hair. When I tie it up, I'm just like, but with silk accessories, especially for curly hair, this will help reduce frizz and breakage. So I'll show you how good these scrunchies are. I just tie my hair up into a ponytail, and I don't even have to tie the scrunchie. I can just put it over once and it holds my hair up. If I want it more secure, I can like overlap it and tie it again, but one tie is just so easy and makes my life so much easier. So there you have it. It's so soft on the hair. I will leave a discount code down below and all the links to shop. I can't recommend them enough. You need to try out silk products. They make such a difference on curly hair and your skin as well. Now I have to take some photos in this room, and then I'll catch you later when I get my hair cut. Let's do it! Hey guys, so it's around 2 o'clock now. I've gone to the hairdressers, I got my groceries, and just carried all that in. I've mentioned before how my hairdresser wants to remain private, and yeah, she's like a one-woman show, so she doesn't want so much business that she can't handle it, if you know what I mean. But this is what my hair looks like when I leave the hairdressers. It doesn't look like perfect curls. She actually brushes it out and wets it, so I just go home and style it myself, and then I can see how it truly came out. But I just got to trim. It looks a lot shorter. I don't know. It always feels really short after she trims it, but then after a couple of days it like feels around the same again, but it feels so much healthier on the ends. And I got her to cut like shorter layers at the top for more volume. I look so oily. But yeah, this is what it looks like after the hairdresser. Very frizzy. I don't know if I'll style it today. I got some stuff from ASOS in the Iconic. There were so many parcels at the door, like I couldn't get through the door. There were so many. It was a nice surprise when I got home. But yeah, let's open some parcels. All right, I'm back on my camera. I managed to fix it. I'm gonna go through this ASOS parcel. I haven't tried anything on yet. Got this first piece. It's like a long maxi dress. It's got that kind of low-waisted, what do you call that? You know how normally dresses stop at the high waist, this goes lower. So I don't know if I can pull off that style, but it's just a black and white gingham dress. Just this dress looks really cute. It's like a button-up embroidery kind of dress. I think this looks really cute. It's nice and pleated, and again it's that maxi length and it just flows out. I like wearing flowy dresses that you can just chuck on when it's hot, but you still want to kind of not show too much skin. Like this dress I'm wearing right now, this is just from Sports Girl, but it's so comfy and easy to chuck on when I want to do errands like grocery shopping and stuff. We got some glasses. I actually love those. They're like a bit brown and orange in the middle there. I'll probably do a TikTok with all these clothes, so make sure you follow me on TikTok. Also, I've got like a rack of clothes behind me and all my lighting stuff. I've got a washing rack there. Like the place is still very new. There's not much furniture, or like there's not a great setup going on right now. Everything is everywhere and I'm starting to get over it because I can't find anything. Anyway, we've got some check pants here. They're wide leg. We've got like orange and blue in them. We've got this silky satin dress. I love the color. Plain black crop t-shirt. Always need stuff like this. That would go well with those check pants. I've got another t-shirt saying positive energy. This bodysuit looked cool on the model. It's like very high cut and then you wear your pants like there so you can see the cutouts. So I thought that would be like a cool staple piece to style with outfits. And another shirt dress. This is a brown color. I'm always wearing brown, you know, I love brown. And then we've also got that same style in black. I feel like this would be cool to pair with some funky high knee boots when it's a bit cooler. So yeah, that's all from ASOS. I'll also open some Iconic parcels. First up, we've got these stunning boots. These are snake skin, very stylish. We've got these rollers jeans. They've got those front pockets and then they're kind of, oh, they're not flare, they're like wide leg. Some more boots. These are pretty funky. Next are these heels. Stunning. This brand is Daisy. I love Daisy. This is also for a job, by the way, so they've sent me some outfits and I'm going to make a cool reel on Instagram. Some more rollers jeans. I like that blue color. This is a stunning carry bag from The Fall. Love those colors. And we've got a long sleeve knit. I love this long line style where you've got long sweaters that are like tight fitting over jeans. Would be really cute. These jeans are cool. They've got that tie-dye pattern. These are from Missguided. So the video I'm making is styling different jeans, if you're wondering why there's so many jeans. A very cute zebra clutch from Bellini. I love zebra print at the moment. Just a plain black shoulder bag. This is Bellini as well. There's more to unbox, but I'll keep that for you guys to see on the Instagram video. Now I'm just going to clean up the house a bit and then later we're going to be cooking some dinner. So I'll see you then.
Tin.
We're cooking chicken, potatoes and veggies and rice.
And rice. Try a whole lot of things tonight.
So how would you rate living together so far?
1 out of 10.
Seriously.
10 out of 10, obviously. The hell? You kidding me right now? It's been pretty fun.
I think it'll be fun when we have everything sorted. But I'm enjoying the process anyway.
Really? Speak for yourself, woman.
You gotta enjoy the journey.
I'm cutting all these potatoes in different shapes.
Ooh, that's not smart. Potato, beans and broccoli, and where's the chicken? Chicken. We're gonna make cookies and give them to the neighbors so that they like us.
We force them to like us. We bribe them.
Just gonna put some olive oil.
This looks disgusting.
Why? Now we're gonna get some Italian herb blend. Okay, Italian herb blend. Smells cool.
Food. Being eaten.
Hello everyone, it's the next day and we're going to the Easter show. If you're not from Sydney, basically Sydney has a big kind of, what do you call it, a theme park?
Yep.
Theme park event for Easter. And I'll just vlog a bit of our day. I'm on my phone again, sorry if the quality keeps changing, but I just want to go on a roller coaster. Also, I didn't show you the update of after I got my hair done. I've just slicked it back because I went out last night, I had to slick it up and the curls were just bad today. But I feel like she cut it really short, like shorter than I wanted, but it's fine.
It still looks good.
We'll just rock it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go! Hello everyone, it's the next day. It's around 5 o'clock. Fabian just got home from work.
Howdy.
So you haven't seen what my hair looks like when it's washed and styled after getting it cut. And let me know what you guys think, because I'm a bit, not sad, but like, I was like, it's a bit short. Like I went in for a trim and then it's turned into a haircut. So I got a haircut, not a trim. I did ask her to like trim my top layers more so I have more volume. So, but yeah, my hair is a completely different shape to previous, but that's all right. I just rock whatever's happening. What did I do today? I went grocery shopping. I feel like every vlog I've gone grocery shopping. I need to choose specific days to go grocery shopping because I spent like 2 hours just getting stuff for the house. Again, we're gonna cook beef stir fry tonight. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you my hair. So I also feel like it's very short because when you get a trim, it cuts off the dead ends and makes your hair spring back more. So for curls, when they're extra ringlety and curly, they become tighter and it looks overall a lot shorter. But yeah, I just did some video editing today, some content.
What did you eat? That's what everyone wants to know.
For breakfast, I had muesli and yogurt as usual, and then a glass of coconut water.
Sure.
And then for lunch, after grocery shopping, I went to Baker's Delight and I got like a ricotta spinach roll thing, and then an olive and cheese roll. But I really need to get back into the gym. I think like my mood is worse these days because I'm not exercising, so I feel like I need to exercise and get back into the swing of things. But I think I'll end the vlog here. Thanks so much for following me around the past few days. And a reminder to check out Mum Silk. I think I've been pronouncing it wrong. It's actually Mam Silk, not Mum Silk.
Yes, ma'am.
But a reminder to check them out and use my discount code OLIVE15 for a little discount. I really, really recommend them for curly hair especially.
What percentage discount do they get?
They get 15% off, and
wow,
Fabian...
that's why it's Olive 15.
Olive 15.
Olive 15.
But Fabian is used to me now. I remember at the start when I started wearing silk sleeping caps, that he thought they were funny, but now he's just used to me wearing a little cap and looking like a little grandma at night. But yeah, Fabian knows I always sleep with my cap to protect the curls. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.